hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ramya from Desi Girl 1010. Today's video is actually going to be a tag video, and this is called the beauty scenario tag. The questions are super pretty and super simple, and it just has 8 questions, and I believe I was tagged by Deepika Makeup and a couple of other beauty gurus here on YouTube, so please go ahead, check their videos out. I'll link them in the info bar below. And also, if you want to tag this video and you haven't been tagged, please consider yourself tagged by me, and let's go ahead and get started. The very first question is, you have to get rid of all your foundations and you can keep only one high-end and one drugstore. Which do you keep? Definitely hands down my NARS Sheer Glow foundation from high-end, because I haven't tried too many foundations from high-end, that and just a MAC foundation. I am going to do a review and a demo of my MAC foundation pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And from drugstore, I think I probably would keep my Maybelline Fit Me, because I really like how the finish looks like with that foundation. The only downside is it doesn't have a pump, so you don't have much control with that. And so yeah, those are my picks. The second is, you go for an interview and the lady interviewing you has lipstick on her teeth. Do you approach the subject or ignore it completely? Oh my god, I thought about this question over and over again. I would be super embarrassed if I was the interviewer and you pointed out to me and told that, hey, you know what, you have lipstick on your teeth. I would feel like a fool. But I probably would tell her after the interview. I would just wait for all the interview to go smoothly, because I don't want to be conscious. I don't want to make her conscious throughout the whole process, you know. So I would tell her post the interview completion, but not during it or before it. Definitely not. Third is, you're not feeling yourself and need a pick-me-up. Which lipstick do you put on to make yourself feel beautiful? Now, my option would have been the Revlon Colorburst Lip Butter and Berry Smoothie, or my Maybelline Vivids in 875. But of late, I've been really loving this color that I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's actually a NYX lip pencil, and this is in the shade Hot Red and Rouge Flame. And that's how the color looks like. It's a beautiful mix between a red, burnt orange and a slight pink hint to it. It looks absolutely beautiful on skin tones like mine. If you haven't tried these NYX, did I say NYX? If you haven't tried these NYX lip pencils, I recommend these to you. These are very inexpensive, can be found at your Ulta store. So make sure you check this out. Check this color out. It's one of my favorites, and I would highly recommend it. And I think this actually puts me in a very nice peppy mood. The next question is, you go back in time for a day to your teenage years. How would you do your hair and makeup differently? I'm still very boring when it comes to my hair. I probably would have got a smaller haircut, so it was easier for me to maintain and manage my hair. And makeup wise, I haven't done too much of makeup when I was a teenager, so I would probably put on some mascara and just some concealer to conceal my dark circles, because these are my dark circles are family herited. They are not due to lack of sleep, or they won't just go away if I have proper sleep or food. So yeah, definitely those. The next is, you ask your hairdresser for a shoulder length pixie lot haircut, but they hear wrong and give you a pixie cut. Do you smile? Do you A, smile, say thank you, leave and call your mom hysterically? B, cry in the chair and things get awkward? C, complain to the manager and demand refund? I would first smile, thank you, and call my mom hysterically, but I would definitely complain and try to get a refund, or make sure that what they did was wrong and I'm not happy with I would let them know that I'm not happy with the service I got. And yeah, probably I would do C option first and then A. I would definitely call my mom or my husband and cry hysterically. Sixth, your friend surprises you with a 4-day city break and you have just 1 hour to pack. Which do-it-all palette do you pack in your makeup bag? Hands down, this palette from Sleek. I got this in my beauty swap with Indian beauty from UK. Her name is Nikta. You should check her channel out. She's very cool and posts the most adorable outfit pics and posts on her Instagram. So this is the Sleek palette in I Divine Storm, and this is how the palette looks like. I think this is perfect in every color, because you can do I'm sorry, the light is blinding you. So you can do a day to night smoky look, you can do an everyday makeup look, you do have some beautiful transition shades for blending and your highlight color as well. So those are the colors right there. So I would definitely pack this and go on my trip. The next question is 7th. Your house has been robbed. Don't worry, everyone is safe, but your beauty stash has been raided. What's the product you really hope is safe? I think probably all those products that I don't get in US anymore, like my Lakme makeup that I get from India with my sister, or the Sleek makeup. Anything else I probably could buy and replenish them, but something that is not available in my country that I'm living right now, I would be really sad and hope those were safe. 8th and the last question of this tag is, your friend borrows your makeup and returns it in awful condition. Do you A, just pretend you haven't noticed, B, ask them to repurchase it, or C, secretly do the same to something of theirs? If it was my friend borrowing my makeup, I think they would be really sure they would make sure that they return it in a very good condition, because they know how particular I am about being neat and all that. So I don't think I would need to pretend I haven't noticed. They would offer definitely to purchase that for me, and if they are really close to me, I would probably let it go and buy it myself again. But if they are just an acquaintance and they want to offer purchasing it again for me, I would definitely take that. I wouldn't do it secretly for a product of theirs. That would be so shallow. I mean, not my style. So I hope this video was fun, and I haven't filmed a tag video in a while, so I thought this should be an easy video to film. So let me know in the comment section below what your answers would be to these questions. If you want to film this, absolutely go ahead, go crazy and film this video, and you can also leave your answers as a response in the comment section below. So, and if you have any other tag videos or any other video requests from me, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.